What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm gonna be securing my Jeep. And the reason I say that is because if you do look back here, you're gonna notice anybody can access my gas tank here by just turning it, easily taking my gas, and that is not good. So for today, what we're gonna be installing is gonna be this bad boy. It's gonna add a lock and it's gonna look super clean. So if you guys are interested on how to do it, it's super simple. Make sure to stay tuned. Let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so I know today's gonna be a little bit different. Usually we do, of course, installs and videos with the Tacoma, but I haven't done one on the Jeep in a while, and this is something that I've been wanting to do, so might as well show you guys how to do it if you're interested, if you have a Jeep, because I know I do have some Jeep followers here, so this one's for you guys. It's something super simple, but it's helpful and it looks clean. So once again, looking at it really close right here, and I'm sure this has probably happened to you because I know it's happened to me probably like 3-4 times already. I'm out in the mall and someone just literally does that to me. Like, I'll come back to the car and I have the gas cap open. So I know most people are just kind of playing tricks by doing that, but I know one of these days, I mean, if someone really wants to jack it, it's that simple. So for today, once again, we're gonna be adding this bad boy here. So it's gonna give it a nice clean look, and it's gonna add an actual key and lock to it. So that way no one can just open this thing up. So it'll be secure and I won't have to worry about that anymore. So super simple to do it. Let's just show you guys. First thing you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is just go ahead and open up the gas cap here. Next thing you're gonna need is, as far as tools, is gonna be like a panel removal tool, something like this. The one I have here today is plastic, and you just wanna go ahead and work your way around this thing. You're gonna have to basically pry this off. So I'm gonna get a smaller one. Once you get it started, it should just easily get removed. Shouldn't be too hard after that. So now that you have this whole piece exposed, as you guys can tell, you can see the filler neck right there. Looking inside the package, what's gonna come inside is gonna be a brand new gasket. It's gonna be a brand new set of 2 keys, and of course, the actual piece. So let's pop this bad boy open. Just like that. And then from here, you're gonna wanna get that gasket, and we're basically gonna install it in there. So for yours, your gasket might come installed. If it doesn't, the way it's gonna work is you're gonna notice on one side it does have a ridge. On the other side, it's kind of like inwards. So you're gonna want this ridge to be inwards like that. So that's basically how it's gonna sit. This will go like that towards the actual filler neck. So keep that in mind. So you're also gonna notice right here in the center, there's gonna be kind of like a cutout all the way around. That, you're gonna have to work it into the gas flap here. I'm not gonna lie, that part might be the hardest part in the whole installation. I'll try to show you guys here, but it's kind of hard for me to do it without moving the camera too much. But basically, once you get it started, it should make it a lot easier. So let me get it going. There it is. And just kind of work it around, and it should feed itself into the channels. All right, and once it did, just make sure it's seating properly all the way around, and same thing on the inside, make sure it's seated properly all the way around. Now we could go to the Jeep and put this in. Now that we got that situated, what we're gonna do next is we're going to get our gas cap. And just like when we took it off the old one, we're gonna reinstall it. So go ahead and find this little nipple here on the gas cap. You're gonna notice inside of here, it might be hard to see it on the camera, but there is a hole there. And that nipple is gonna go into that hole. So all you do is literally just feed it in and apply some pressure. So you'll see it from the back side here. So I'll apply some pressure. And I will be honest, if you're weak like me, I know I said I was strong, but I was joking. It's maybe hard. There it is. It snapped into place. So now it won't go anywhere. So up next, before you put it in, notate where that nipple is on the actual part. That's going to be the direction of the install, like I told you guys earlier. So I found the nipple, found the hole on the car, and now that it's there, I can go ahead and apply some pressure. Just like that. All right, and now that it's nice and secure, looks really good. Go ahead and test out your gas cap, make sure that works. Give it one last touch. And once again, if you did end up taking out your tail light, the good part about doing that, which is taking it out, you can feed your hand through and kind of make sure everything's seated properly. As far as for me, I'm just going by ear and by feeling and by look, because I can't really see from behind. But as far as the way it's feeling here, it's secure, so we're good there. So let's go ahead and now close this and test this bad boy out. All right, that's looking good. And that's looking good. So heck yeah, so now we got this to lock. All right, you guys, so now that it looks super clean and now that we know it's secure, this bad boy here, we can toss it, get rid of it, whatever you want to do with it. Now this is way better. So if you guys did enjoy today's quick little video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll go ahead and get onto the Tacoma content now. We'll see you guys on the next.
JesseRizo is here for you. Is here for you. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.